Hello everyone, it's Lola again. I welcome you all to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very easy Indomie recipe. This recipe is actually my go-to recipe whenever I need something fast and easy to put together for my family. And it's ready in less than 15 minutes. It's that easy. But before we get cooking, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to do so. Just click on that red subscribe button and become part of the family. It's that easy. So let's go to the kitchen right now and get cooking. I have my water boiling already, and what I'm going to do is just to throw in my Indomie noodles. And I'm going to be boiling this for about 4 to 5 minutes. I don't want the noodles to be totally done. I want it to be half done. That is why I'm boiling it for a short time. After boiling the noodles for about 2 minutes, I'm just going to use my fork to separate the noodles so that everything can be evenly cooked. Once you are done separating the noodles, just cover it back and allow it to cook for another 3 minutes or thereabouts. So the noodles are done to my taste at this point, and I'm just going to be draining the water. And I'm going to set it aside while I make my vegetable and shrimp sauce. So to start with, I'm going to be preheating a little bit of oil in my pan. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to be adding my diced onions. I'm going to stir fry these onions until they become a little tender and kind of translucent. At this point, I'm going to be adding the shrimp. And I'll be seasoning this with salt to taste, chili powder, paprika, white pepper, black pepper, curry powder, and a little bit of minced habanero pepper for that spiciness and that sweet aroma. Now I'm going to be mixing all this together until the shrimp is well covered with the seasoning. And I will also be cooking the shrimp until it's almost done. I've got some red bell peppers which I've sliced into strips. I've got some green bell peppers which I've also sliced into strips. And I have my mixed vegetables which consist of sweet corn, sweet peas, green beans, and carrots. So I'm going to mix all this together so that everything can be well coated again with the seasoning. So at this point, I'm going to be adding a little bit of chicken stock, and this is what I use to bring out that intense flavor instead of using the seasoning that comes with the Indomie noodles. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my diced tomatoes, and as you can see, I'm using a super ripe and juicy tomato for this. And this is because I get to taste the juice of the tomatoes inside the noodles, which is very good. So leave this to cook for about a minute or thereabouts. So finally, I'm going to be adding my Indomie noodles, and I'll just grab a fork and stir everything together until it's well combined. So I'll just leave this to simmer again for about a minute or two. The Indomie noodles is now done. I'll just mix it together once again and it's ready to be served. So this is one of the ways I make my easy, fast and delicious Indomie noodles. Thank you all for spending your time with me today. If you like this recipe, don't forget to leave a thumbs up for me, and I also like to hear your feedback in the comment section down below. Until next time, I'll talk to you shortly. Enjoy.